Let's start this chapter by understanding how search engines display results. This is going to be critical in developing the first stage of understanding how search engines work. When looking at how results are displayed, we organize the results into three different categories. The first is organic results. Organic, or what's also called natural results, are the results that come from the search engine's ranking algorithm. Why what comes out of a computer we call natural or organic, I'm really not sure, but that's the name that stuck. So organic results is what we are primarily going to be talking about in this course, because that is how and where search engine optimization is applied. Right next to organic results are what we call paid advertisements, or pay-per-click advertising. Those are ads that you bid money on. You are charged when people click on them, thus the term pay-per-click. And you can write the ad. You're in full control over the content of that ad. In organic, we can affect the words that are there, but we can't control it. And then there are the blended results. And we're going to spend a lot of time on blended results, because based on what type of business you are, you can take a lot of advantage of blended results. Let's look at a search engine result page, or a SERP, S-E-R-P, which stands for Search Engine Results Page. The first thing is we can find the ads simply by looking for the heading Ads. That denotes that these are advertisements. The search engines are legally responsible to label their ads as ads. They can't make their ads and the organic results look too similar because it might fool people. And so the FTC has mandated that ads be labeled as ads. We can typically find the ads at the top of the page and also on the right-hand side of the page. Regardless of search engine, this is typical. The blended results that I referred to earlier, that shows up based on what you're searching for. This search is for New York hotels. So based on that search and the intent of the searcher, the search engine interprets that as the searcher is looking for New York hotels. So in the upper right corner, we're going to see a map with pins in the map of hotels. In the lower left-hand corner, we're going to see hotel contact information, names, addresses, phone numbers, and reviews. What we're concerned about when we talk about organic listings is that little box in the middle. And as you can see, when you start putting in blended results and ads, there's not a whole lot of space because most people will only look at the first page and maybe only the first half of the first page. So getting in those top three results, that's critical to getting more visibility, and that's what we're going to be looking at. Now, also something to be aware of is when you do a branded search, the search engines show the results a little differently. So this search for the New York Hilton, what we see is what's called indented results. The brand name, or the brand, is the first result. However, underneath and indented is the contact information, the address, the phone number, and then also page links. These are typically the most requested or the most used pages that are on the website and then displayed as part of the search engine results. Now, organic results, they're based on the search engine algorithm. The big word here is relevancy. How relevant are these pages to the search word that the searcher typed in? So we're looking at popularity. We're also looking at proximity. Where are people in relation to what they're looking for? That gets into local search. And then also, what you do with search engine optimization is you learn the words that people are typing in, you learn what they want, and you work those words into your website, into your content, through architecture, and through links. And that's how we're going to start learning about search engine optimization.